Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. In this project, I thought I'd show you how I made this DIY Grinch ornament. The first thing I do is I take my GYS alcohol-based marker and I color the entire thing this sickly green color. I go ahead and do both sides. Then I freehand drew the Grinch's face onto the ornament, and if this is something you're not comfortable with, what you could do is you could print out a picture or a copy of his face, and you could trace it onto the ornament itself. What you could do is you could color the backside with pencil completely and use that as like to make a carbon copy onto the ornament itself. Next, I take my black alcohol marker 120 and I use that to outline the facial features. I didn't do this part in pencil, but I go around with my black marker and I give his cheeks a sort of furry look by copying kind of what it looks like in the image. You don't have to do this part. You could try to do this if you'd like. It's totally up to you. Next, I go ahead and take my white gel marker and color in his eyes white. I chose to color it white because I felt like that would stand out better than the bright yellow color that his eyes usually are. It's totally up to you if you want to color it in yellow. You certainly can do that with your alcohol markers. Next is the fun part. I take this mini red hat from Amazon. It came in a pack of, I think it was 12. And I'm going to glue it and attach it where I like on the Grinch's head. You can skip this part, but I really think this makes the character come to life. And just like in the image, I'm going to glue the top part of the hat to the left side of the Grinch's face. Then I go ahead and glue the white fur to itself to help secure the hat even better. Then I take a piece of twine, fold it in half, and make a knot at the ends. And then I string it through the opening between the hat where it kind of loops over, where it's like kind of like there's almost like a hole. I can't really explain that. I hope I'm making sense, but basically I string it through and I stick the knotted end through the loop of the other end of the twine, and then I pull it straight through, and then you'll have like a loop to hang it onto your Christmas tree. And that's how I made this DIY Grinch ornament. Let me know what you think in the comments below. In this next project, I show you how I made these DIY decoupage ornaments. I first start out by taking some scrap tissue paper and tearing it down to smaller pieces, and then Mod Podging it to the front and the back. When you're doing a project like this, I highly recommend that you select 2 colors for your decoupage ornament so that you can see both of those through. If you try to do more than that, it might become one of the other colors might become like more in the background and you might not see it as much, but I decided on 2. So I started out with using this leftover burgundy color that I created from a previous project. And of course, you're going to want to paint the front and the back of your ornament as well. Then once dry, take your secondary color and kind of dip it into some water first and dip into the color that you're going to use so that it's more of a highlight. I decided to go with gold and I really like the results of that. Once dry, I take some long green twine, I think it's from the Dollar Tree, and I string it through the remaining part of the ornament, and I kind of sort of go around it by tying it on there over and over and over again. I hope that makes sense. But basically you put the string through and then you kind of tie it on there and then you keep going around and round and round until you get to the very end. I hope that makes sense. I try to tie the knot to be as close to the piece of wood as possible, and it ends up coming out with like this sort of edge to it, I guess you call it, and that's just what I decided to do for mine. You don't have to use twine, you can use string, or you can just paint it all together. It's totally up to you. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I really love texture into my creations, and so I really like the addition of the twine personally. So once you've made knots all the way around the entire edge of the top of the ornament, then what I try to do, at least to try to cover up any wood part, is I try to go around the front and back so that way it covers up the wood as well there. And I just do the best that I can. And after that, the project is complete. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. And here I show you how I did one that was a base color of blue with a silver top out over top. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.